You can literally win a free iPhone 17 Pro just by using WEEX, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. On top of that, WEEX is giving away up to 10,000 USDT in bonuses for new users right now, and I'm going to walk you through every single reward you can claim, how to find them, and how to maximize all of them. So make sure you use the link down below, because without it, you will not unlock the full welcome bonus package. I'll explain exactly why in just a bit. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into the rewards, let me quickly tell you why WEEX is actually a solid platform, especially if you're just getting started in crypto. WEEX is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange that was established back in 2018 and is registered in Singapore. So this is not some random new exchange. It has been around for years and has built up a very solid reputation. Right now, WEEX has 843 coins and 970 trading pairs available. So whether you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or smaller altcoins, you've got a huge range of options available to you. And if you're wondering about trust and credibility, WEEX is currently ranked number 24 on CoinGecko's top crypto exchanges by Trust Score. That is a very respectable ranking, and it tells you that this is a legitimate, well-regarded platform. On top of that, WEEX has a 1,000 BTC protection fund. So your assets are backed by a serious reserve, very similar to what you see on the bigger exchanges. Deep liquidity as well, which means your orders are going to fill at the price you actually see, even when you're trading with leverage. And here's something pretty cool. WEEX has actually partnered with La Liga. Yes, the football league. That kind of partnership doesn't happen with exchanges that aren't serious players in this space. So for beginners, WEEX gives you a trustworthy platform, a huge range of coins, deep liquidity, and right now, one of the most generous new user bonus packages I've seen in a long time. Which brings me to exactly what you're here for. All right, so first things first, you need a WEEX account. If you don't have one yet, click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the exclusive welcome bonus page. And this is important. Only by using my link will you unlock the full welcome bonus package. If you sign up through a different link or just go directly to the website, you will get a completely different offer. So make sure you're using the link in the description and make sure you're creating a fresh account to fully enjoy all of these bonuses. Now, once you're on the page, just click the sign up button, enter your email, create a strong password, and confirm your phone number. It literally takes less than a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. And this is your control center for everything on WEEX. From here, you can deposit, trade, check your rewards, and access all the bonuses we're about to go through. Simple as that. Okay, so now that you're logged in, here's where to find everything. Go to the Promotions tab. You'll see it in the navigation. Just click on it and then click on Welcome Gift. This is where all of your new user bonuses are sitting, waiting for you to claim them. And there are quite a few of them, so let me walk you through each one. First, when you sign up, you get a 10 USDT coupon instantly. This offsets your transaction fees on your first trade. Free money, basically. Second, link your phone number and email, and you get another 15 USDT coupon. Takes about 30 seconds to do. Third, just log into the app for the first time and you get a 5 USDT coupon instantly. Seriously, just for opening the app. Fourth, this one is very interesting. If you make a net deposit of at least 100 USDT and complete your first futures trade of at least 1,000 USDT, you get a 30 USDT futures bonus as first trade loss protection. So WEEX is literally covering your first trade. Fifth, complete your first futures trade of at least 500 USDT and you get a 50 USDT coupon on top of that. Sixth, make your first deposit of at least 100 USDT and hold it for 7 days and you get a 20 USDT coupon. And then there's the big one, the 1,000 USDT position airdrop on ETH USDT with 100 times leverage. All you have to do is register for a trade to earn and make a futures trade. That's it. So in total, if you complete all of these tasks, you're looking at up to 10,000 USDT in bonuses. That is insane value just for signing up and doing a few simple things on the platform. Do keep in mind that identity verification may be required to claim some of these rewards, so just have that ready. All right, now this is the part you've been waiting for, how to actually win the iPhone 17 Pro. Go back to the Promotions tab and this time click on Earn 40% Commission. You'll land on a new page, and this is where the magic happens. On this page, you'll see the invitation tasks. Here's how they work. Invite one friend who makes a net deposit of at least 100 USDT, holds it for 3 days, and trades at least 100 USDT, and you get a 10 USDT futures bonus. You can do this up to 10 times for a maximum of 100 USDT. Invite 3 friends who each deposit at least 100 USDT, hold for 3 days, and trade at least 1,000 USDT, and you get an extra 50 USDT futures bonus. Invite 5 friends who each deposit at least 100 USDT, hold for 3 days, and trade at least 10,000 USDT, and you get an extra 80 USDT futures bonus. So just by inviting friends, you're already stacking serious USDT bonuses on top of everything else. But now scroll down a little bit on that same page and click Join Now. This is where the wheel is. You'll see a prize wheel with some very serious prizes on it. We're talking 10 USDT futures bonus, 50 USDT futures bonus, 100 USDT futures bonus, AirPods, iPad Air, and yes, the iPhone 17 Pro. And here's the best part. You are guaranteed to win something every single spin. Every spin lands on a real prize. So how do you get spin chances? Simple. Every time one of your invited friends completes their deposit and trading tasks, you earn a spin. The more friends you invite, the more spins you get, and the more chances you have to land on that iPhone 17 Pro. So if you've got friends who are interested in crypto or even just curious about it, this is the perfect time to share your link with them. They get access to all the same welcome bonuses we just talked about, and you get spin chances on the wheel. Everyone wins. And honestly, even if you don't hit the iPhone on your first few spins, you're still walking away with USDT bonuses, AirPods, or an iPad Air. So there's really no losing here. All right, so that's how you can win an iPhone 17 Pro on WEEX using my link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about WEEX or the bonuses. I read every single one. And if you want a more detailed guide on how the WEEX platform works, check out the video popping on screen right now. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Good luck on the wheel, and I hope you're the one walking away with that iPhone 17 Pro.